What's up, everybody? We are back for part 3 of our DIY furniture series. So today we are just finishing, well, Robert is just finishing fixing the table. So let me show you. He, hi dog, is going to put L brackets onto here and on that leg to what? So it stays, to fix it. So he's doing that today, and then this table too needs a little bit of like extra support. So we're doing that. Okay, and also small little update. So we are actually going to have a handyman come and help us with some of this. So he is going to start by just staining this long table, and he's gonna stain. Robert's waiting for me to stop talking to turn on his music. Thanks, babe. So he's gonna stain this piece first, and then so if you guys saw our first episode of this series, we showed you this table, and specifically, let's see, this one right here, it's scratched up. So he actually said that he would be able to put, what was it called? Bondo on to this, and then like basically stain over it. And the only downside is that one section won't have like the wood grain when you stain it. But the thing is, we were either going to try to do it ourselves, which that just like, this is a very specific thing and we've never done that, and it's a little bit more complicated, or we were going to try to just get the legs remade, which that would cost us a lot of money, and then we couldn't really stain it because we wouldn't have the same wood. So for this, like, some of these legs aren't too bad, and that he's just gonna like sand out and then stain it, and then 2 of the legs are a little bit worse, like this one over here, so that he's gonna put the Bondo and stain it. So he's gonna be doing that also, and then possibly doing a couple more pieces. So that's gonna be next weekend. We're gonna be here while he's doing that. Robert and I are gonna start working on staining this piece, which is the piece that I was sanding in episode 2. So yeah, today all it is Robert is going to be putting this together. So we'll show you his process, and he's going to teach me how to do it, I think. So I'll show you what we're doing for that so that we're prepared for next weekend to start staining. Okay, update on the furniture. What was wrong with it? The wood was too soft? Excuse me, sir.
What?
What was wrong with the way we were doing it?
The wood's just too soft. The screws don't hold.
Okay, so the wood's too soft. The screws aren't holding with the L brackets, so that's not gonna work. So instead of that, what we're gonna do is, so basically they had these wedges, wood wedges that were nailed with a nail gun into it, and he wasn't gonna redo that because he didn't think that it would be as sturdy, but
no, it'll be sturdy. It's just I didn't think it was necessary to do all that.
Okay, so you didn't think that doing all that work was necessary when we could just use L brackets, but he didn't know that the wood was as soft as it is. So instead, he's gonna redo that, but the air compressor for the nail gun is at his house, which is on the other side of the hill, and we don't have a nail gun either. So at some point, either today or tomorrow, we are gonna go get a nail gun and the air compressor from his house and just take care of that. It really shouldn't take that long. We just don't have the supplies for it. So a little setback, but that's okay. We're gonna get it done this weekend so that before next weekend, we're all ready to go. All right, we're going to buy a nail gun at Harbor Freight, and this will be continued tomorrow when we keep working. All right, we're getting started. Robert's putting the what is it called? Air compressor? Mm-hmm. Air compressor together, and also learning how to use a nail gun because he's never used one. So he's working on figuring it out, and then
I'm sure it'll be safe.
And then we're going to, I'm not going to do it. He's going to hopefully be able to fix the legs the proper way. All right, we got, with the nail gun and the wood glue, we got it pretty good.
It's not perfect, but...
Yeah, not perfect, but better than what it would have been with the L brackets. So we're feeling pretty good. So that is going to close out the furniture series part 3. We'll have part 4 coming next weekend. We're going to be back here with the contractor, as I told you guys earlier. So that will be part 4. I'm really proud of this guy. He was very creative and very engineering. Anyway, it's really cold out here. It's windy, so that's gonna close out the vlog today. If you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss the future furniture vlogs and also what we're doing in our new house when we move in. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.